Grüezi, buenos dias and hello. Thanks for tuning in for the big numbers while many are enjoying their summer break. This is reflected in the numbers for July, which is usually a calmer trading month. However, there are always interesting figures to present, so let's get started with the blue chip indices of Switzerland and Spain. In July, the SMI progressed by 1.1% to reach 14,346 points, which results in a year-to-date performance of 8.1%. The IBEX35 was also up by 1.6% and closed the month at 19,783 points, which is a performance of 14.3% since the start of the year. Let's now look at the trading stats. Due to the aforementioned seasonal lull typical for July, both SIX Swiss Exchange and BME Exchange saw less trading activity than in the previous month. However, if we compare July 2026 to July 2025, there has been substantial growth. Both exchanges reported higher equities trading turnover, up 17% in Switzerland and 14% in Spain. In both markets, ETFs were the strongest performing segment. On SIX Swiss Exchange, ETF turnover grew by almost a third, and on BME Exchange by more than 4/5. Another highlight for ETFs were new record trades in quote on demand. The largest one surpassed $41 million, which shows the growing adoption of our innovative RFQ service and is proof how QD and QD Europe contribute to the growth of the segment. Another record was reached in Swiss Admit for investment funds, with 2,725 trades surpassing the previous record reached in March 2026. Overall, the combined turnover across both markets and all segments reached 158 billion Swiss francs last month, a year-on-year increase of 14.5%. The start into the second half of the year has also seen further listing activity in both countries. At the beginning of July, the healthcare real estate company Infracore listed on SIX Swiss Exchange, raising 200 million Swiss francs through new share issuances. At an opening price of 54 Swiss francs per share, the market capitalization of Infracore was around 826 million Swiss francs. In Spain, the telecom company Digi made its debut on BME Exchange. With an opening price of €5.60, the implied market capitalization reached 1.7 billion euro. The growth market BME Scale Up saw two new joiners. Ecoinmo Spaces and Ahora Femilar bring the total of companies who have listed in the growth markets of BME since the start of the year to 13. With regards to products listing, structured products are now in uncharted territory, reaching new heights with every new day. Having surpassed last year's total number of listings, itself a new record, on July 9th. The current high score at the month end has reached 195,989 listings. In Spain, the number of derivative listings has progressed by over 200% compared to July 2025, with 755 listings, bringing the total so far this year to over 5,800. A great thank you to our issuers in both markets. And with this, we conclude the big numbers for July 2026. Many thanks for watching and see you next month.